Okay, so I just got off the plane, got a cab. Cab is pretty pricey. Being that I was only going pretty much less than a mile to my hotel. So, yeah, again, pretty pricey. Nevertheless, this is the ride from the airport, San Juan Airport, going to my hotel. Hey guys, okay, so already got off the plane, got the hotel booked, and this is pretty nice. I got the palm trees, check that out, nice. It's hot out here too. Well, the receptionist in there just told me that there's like some sort of a food mart or something like that down this way, so I'm heading down there because I want to go and grab me a pack of cigarettes. So she said it's about 3 blocks down, and one thing is for sure, it's definitely more than 3 blocks because I've already passed by. At least I'm already going on my 4th block already that I passed by. So definitely more than 3 blocks. Hey guys, welcome back to my show, and I just want to give you guys a view of the room that I rented. Check this out. Beautiful view. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.